ninyo, kami ay pupunta ng Baguio.
Is that your first time going there?
Yes, it's my first time. Happy birthday, Lala!
If I could bottle this up, bottle this up, I would. I would bottle this up, bottle this up, I would. 'Cause you're gorgeous in this moment.
Hindi ako pasak para sa kanila. Gusto niyo dati sa Franz me ako. Franz me ako. Uy. Pili siya ng damit ni Dati.
So suddenly,
Happy birthday!
I can't believe she's mine. Now all I see
Happy birthday to you.
Wow.
Happy birthday.
Grabe naman yung akala ko kay Ebert. Ano?
Hindi, kasi kanina. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Hug.
you.
Hindi na yun sa'yo lang.
Yeah. Ayun na.
Fresh eyes, fresh eyes,
Ayun na.
Sa ako lang.
fresh eyes, fresh eyes.